Hey, it's your second favorite stock trading guru, mentor. I don't really like guru. What am I even saying? That's funny. But we're going to talk today about Tesla. What is happening? Is it burning? Is it falling down? Is it going to go down forever? Who knows? But let's talk about it. Why are we seeing such a sell-off right now? As I'm speaking, I believe it's down 19%. That's insane. We had such a run up though. So what I like to say is that it's probably healthy. Whenever you have exponential moves, we have drastic breakthroughs and all-time highs we had for the past 4 weeks. The whole entire month of August was new all-time highs and excitement in the world of Tesla, in which it should be. It's exciting. We've seen a stock split as well. We've seen people getting pumped about the new version of the new move, a new wave, a new generation into electric cars. And so we have Tesla, but it's falling now. What is that to say? Is this a time to buy more? Buy the dip, as they say. Well, I don't know. And I'm not going to be the one to tell you yes or no. I'm not a huge fanboy of Tesla. I'm not a huge fanboy of Nikola, but I do love the volatility. I love to take advantage of these times. This is a time where volatility is high, option prices are going to be higher. What can we do with that now? Well, we can sell some credit spreads, some put credit spreads if we think we're still going to go higher. We can sell some sell call credit spreads if we think that it's going to continue to go lower, and still be safe. Still be safe with our trades. Now, let's not get on the trade side of it so much. Let's talk about what's really going on with Tesla and why is that happening. Well, in the very beginning, why the run up in the first place? Why the run up? Well, we actually recorded profits in earnings. We recorded profits. That's something that Tesla has not done in the past. This is huge, huge for the stock itself. We want earnings. We want to see some revenues. We want our earnings per share to actually be positive. And that's what Tesla's been waiting for. And not only that, it's been positive for 4 quarters in a row, which means that it can possibly be put into the S&P 500. More on that as we go through. It had a massive run up because of high short interest. High short interest means that people, probably going to be really loud here, so I'm going to take a break. I'm going to pause it, and I'll come back to it. Edit. Booyah. Whenever stock is splitting forward, it's almost always a good sign. That means that the financials are typically going to be more impressive on the balance sheet. That typically means that the owners of the company have a lot of oh man, cut that. Why the stock split? Well, that's a good sign. Forward stock splits typically mean that the financials are looking good in the way of the balance sheet. We want forward stock splits, and usually typically in a market that is doing well and in a stock that is doing well. So that is why we have the stock split. Now you say, oh, well, it's a way of liquidating and getting more shares on the market, and it's harder to move the stock. This is true. This is very much true. But look at how it can affect those that can actually buy it now, those that can participate in that market type. Before, we're looking at a stock that is moving $30 a tick, and it was worth $2,000 plus. Now we're talking about a $340 now. And people can participate that. Your normal people can participate in such an equity that is down lower than those $1,000. It's hard to put $2,000 into one share. That's a lot of money. That's a lot that can go wrong. You can't even diversify in that. And I am a huge fan of diversification. Now, the pullback, it's normal and it's healthy. So not only did Tesla pull back, which it should, skyrocketing, but the NASDAQ, the tech stocks, the tech sector, completely running up as it should be, because we're in COVID, which we are turning a lot of things, our normal lives are being turned around, and we're forced to use technology such as Zoom, such as Microsoft. A lot didn't see that one coming. We're using our tech like we've never used it before, in such a way that we did not expect and did not know that was going to happen. And that is why the NASDAQ ripped well before the entire market itself, because it was being valued higher. We expect that out of high-tech stocks in such a COVID pandemic. Now, is this a good time to buy? I think so. I think so, in a way that I want to be very clear. I do not own any shares. At this time, it was too expensive for me in my portfolio. I was unable to get in, but this is what we're here for. I'm a normal guy trying to build wealth. So here we are. Here we are. What to do now? Do I buy it now? Probably not. I still don't have that capital. I'm still trading my options, hopefully to get some growth in the options market, that I can actually participate in a longer term portfolio, such as ones that can buy Tesla like that. Now, technical analysis moment. There was, if looking at the 1 hour, we've seen a couple squeezes that ripped higher and actually made some profits off of those. We've seen that the TTM squeeze was going on. There's a lot of talk and a lot of trades going on around that, especially with our Robinhood. Our favorite people in the world are Robinhood traders, and there is a reason why you're trading on a Robinhood. It's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't let anybody shame you for using Robinhood, but you also should be using Webull. And if you have not used Webull yet, please right now go down in the bottom and look. There's an offer code there below, which you can get free stock once you open up an account, and once you make a deposit, you will also get another free stock. Take advantage of free. Take advantage of free and use the offer code down below. Well, if you like this message, thank you so much for joining me. And if you find any type of value out of this or any benefit out of this, please share with friends and family, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.